Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a case of allergic rhinitis with asthma with our new method of working out, that is Hahnemann method. Let's start. Bharat Modern Homeopathy welcomes you all. This is a case of allergic rhinitis with asthma. Patient's name is XYZ, age 32 years, male patient, and he's visited my clinic on 29/11/2020. My case number is 5918. His presenting complaint was coryza since 2012. That is, since 2012, his chronic complaint, that is coryza, allergic rhinitis, and it started after cold exposure. After every cold exposure, coryza starts, and then after exposure, sneezing with watery discharge from the nose. Also, coryza gets aggravated by dust and from change of weather. Also, along with the coryza, there is obstruction of the nose and rattling of the chest, and respiration short or breathing short, and sometimes difficult to breathe, and sneezing in the morning. In the morning, it started with the sneezing and then respiration short, and breathlessness in the winter. Breathlessness is more in winter. His past history was kidney stone 3 years back and treated by myself with homeopathy, and piles 2 years back, burning, bleeding in the morning, and after it is aggravated by after eating meat. Along with the piles, there is gases and constipations. Family history: father was having hypertension, mother is having piles, arthritis, and asthma. His personal history: appetite is good, thirst is thirstless, sleep 11 p.m. to 4:30 a.m., bowels normal, persuasion nil, habits drinks monthly. Then in his mind and life space, patient is working in chemical company, he is having office load, he is married and no other mental state. As the mental history is not significant or not anything altered in the mind or life space, so I have not taken in detail. Only things that are altered that are taken. After that, synthesis of the case. In the synthesis, we are giving important to more troublesome symptom that symptoms that are troubles the patient, that gives more trouble to the patient. That is the breathing, respiration, shortness of breath, and phlegm, coryza, and sneezing. And it is always start after exposure to cold, that is sensitive to cold. These symptoms I have taken for the synthesis. See, along with that, what is important is the soric symptom, troublesome symptom, and soric symptom, troublesome soric symptom. Those symptoms that are troublesome and those symptoms that are soric are most important for the synthesis of the case or the evaluation of the case. So here we are giving more important to the soric symptoms, and as Hahnemann says that SORA is the most important and we have to cure SORA. So what are the soric symptoms in the case, and how we found out it in the case? Let's see what are the soric symptoms. Here in this is the Verworm software. It is designed by Dr. Dharmendra Chak sir from Pune. It is totally based on Hahnemann's understanding, that is Mater Medica Pura and chronic diseases. We select directly remedy from Hahnemann's literature. Here, respiration, loud, difficult time, sibilant respiration. Coryza, fluent. See on the left hand side, my cursor, that is symptom number 305, asthma, loud, difficult at times, sibilant respiration. That is miasm is non-mineral, submiasm is SORA, that is outbreak of internal SORA. And next symptom, symptom number 2 is a TCD symptom number 14, frequent and tedious dry or fluent coryza with catarrh. That is also latent SORA, symptom of latent SORA. And again, 271 symptom plain coryza, at least taking cold, that is SORA, outbreak of internal SORA. These are the soric symptoms, and we are giving more important to the soric symptoms to the cure disease, in order to cure disease. Here in the synthesis respiration short, coryza, phlegm, sneezing, and cold. Differential remedies are graphitis, ammonium carb, natrum carb, and kali carb. You see next slide. This is workout from the worm software. Remedies are natrum carb, graphitis, muriatic acid, opium, sepia, kali carb. From that, I have selected graphitis as daily coryza when becoming cold, fluent coryza with catarrh, frequent sneezing, fluent coryza of short duration with frequent sneezing, constant fluent coryza, sudden asthma with difficult shortened respiration. So graphitis is selected from the on the basis of this worm and from TCD, chronic diseases, directly from the Hahnemann's literature. We'll see directly live workout from the Hahnemann's software, that is worm. First is respiration. Short. We are adding on the symptoms of respiration short, and in the summary, these are the remedies. Next symptom is coryza. And these are the remedies. And sensory. Coryza from cold. Or sensitive to cold. These are all remedies. This is from TCD selection, and this is from MMP. These are the remedies. From TCD, we have nitric acid, natrum carb, kali carb, sepia, calcarea, graphitis. In the graphitis, there is a symptom sudden asthma with difficult shorter respiration, fluent coryza with persistence, fluent coryza with shortened duration, frequent sneezing, fluent coryza with headache, daily coryza from becoming cold. This is sensitivity is covered by graphitis. And they be selected on that basis is a graphitis. Other remedies are also there. That is Calcarea, Sepia, Calica, and Natrumca. But I have selected graphitis and given graphitis. Next slide, prescription is graphitis, 0 by 1, 3313. Hahnemann's in last days, Hahnemann advice in the 6th edition, that is LM potency is the best potency. You can repeat every day. That is 3 stroke, 3 drops in 1 glass of water, stir for 1 minute and give 3 spoon BD for 1 month. It is given, and after 1 month, we'll see coryza reduced up to follow on 3 January. Coryza reduced up to 50%, no sneezing, sometimes only shortness of breath. Treatment CT all, same treatment followed. Next follow 29/3, 2000 feeling better 99%, no coryza, no sneezing, sensitivity to dust and allergy reduction. So 99% better within 3 months, and patient completely better with this medicine with only graphitis. Hahnemann in 171 aphorism advised that you can give series of antisoric remedies to cure the psora. For curing of psora, it is necessary sometimes to give series of antisoric remedies, but this case no need to give series of remedies. Only one remedy, that is graphitis, cure all his symptoms. That is a case with simple approach. I have cured with graphitis. Thank you very much.